Wow, this is actually quite special for me right here, because this year, what's happening in this room is really the story of my life. Okay, so my father has been in the insurance industry for 30 years. He has always tried to kind of pull me into the insurance industry, and I always said, no, this stuff is too boring for me, sorry, I need to go into the cool startup world. So I built up my first company and made a lot of experiences, and what we're doing right now is we're merging the old world and the new world again. So my father is the CEO in Germany of FinanceFox, and I'm the founder and CEO of the group. And it's really destiny that the next business that we are focusing on is really bringing me back to my roots, right? So what is the problem that we want to solve? It's a problem that everyone has. It's the frustration of the customer. You have no overview of where you're insured. You get a lot of paper from your insurance companies, and the usual behavior is just put it in the folder, put it in the folder, put it in the folder, put it in the folder. Then a massive intransparency has been created over the last decades with price difference up to 400%. Then we have a macro problem, which is I pay for something, it's an abstract product, and then the service delivery comes, the moment of truth, and only a small fraction of the people are happy about it, how it went. 2 out of 10 people, that's like going to a restaurant and only liking 2 out of 10 meals. And then we have a structural problem, and this is how we have entered the market. You have a very fragmented customer experience. You have multiple insurance companies in your portfolio. You have multiple people to speak to, and let's be honest, we live in an SLA-free industry. So this is how we have tackled the market, and I want to show you now how we solve the problem first for the customer, which is the most important driver of all of what we do. And then I'm going to show you on what we do in the back office of our business, okay? So let's first go into the customer experience. I'm going to show you how to onboard as a customer. So I just downloaded the app FinanceFox, and I'm onboarding. So my name is Martin. My last name is Boozer. All right, there we go. Let's not make a mistake with the phone number. Here we go. Now, I get an SMS to verify. And now, I need to choose a password very quickly. There we go. And my account has been created. All right, and now, I digitalize my current insurance folder, the paper folder. And all I have to remember is, okay, what was it again, the type of product and what insurance company? All right, so liability, and that was Allianz, okay. And I also have a life insurance with AXA, and I also have a building insurance. That's with Zurich. There we go. All right. And I go on next. I put in my details, just very quickly. Zack, zack. So, pre-filled, nice. This is actually where we work in Obernstraße. Everybody is welcome to come to our office. I don't need to waste a lot of time here. And this is my birth date. Here we go. All right, so now, the customer is giving FinanceFox the authorization to act on the behalf of the customer. I need to hurry up, okay. So I get the explanation what the broker mandate is, and I can sign right here on the screen. And I finish, and now I'm assigned an insurance hero. So a real person that really knows insurances. And I can choose, okay, I'm an early bird, I want to be called in the morning. So who's my insurance hero? Let's see. I'm excited. Martin. So Martin is my hero. Let's quickly just adjust my profile. I'll take a photo. There we go. The photo is uploaded. Okay, I realize I really need a legal insurance because I'm telling stuff here. Might not all of it be true, right? And you might be suing me, so I need to just make sure that I quickly get a legal insurance. All right, just a couple of questions. Zack. Zack, okay, Zack, go. Want to pay monthly, here we go. Okay, great. Submit. And now what's happening is that I'm getting offers. So let's see if Martin is a fast guy. Ah, here we go. We already have offers. 3 offers. Wow. Let's go to the recommended one. I can see some details. I select this one. And now I see the PDF of the actual offer. And I'm not so much into details, so I'm not going to read through it. I trust my insurance hero. I agree to the following terms, and I sign my new legal insurance. There we go. And I sign the contract, all mobile. And now let's see. What's happening is that actually now, in my digital insurance folder, that policy that I just signed is appearing. There we go. So I have a new legal insurance. Great. So now let's switch a bit the perspective. And now let's go to the consultant side. So we have a broker CRM system. That's the side that Martin sees as the broker. And he has the possibility to check the accounts. And let's look for the customer that we just created in the back office. So this is the tool that our consultant gets. And he can now see it's a 360-degree view of all the customers. We see the details here, and we see, wow, it's his birthday today, actually. OK, so we definitely need to contact this guy. So I send a message straight from this mobile CRM system that the broker is now equipped with to the phone of the customer. So I say, happy B-Day. All the best. And I send it. But actually, it pushes the notification straight to the phone. And what we can see then in the end customer's solution is that the message should have appeared here. And this is like a WhatsApp thread. So I can talk to my insurance hero on several topics. And I used this. It was a great experience when moving to Germany. My insurance hero took care of my entire insurance coverage in just a day. And I really built up that personal relationship to my insurance hero. But now let's go into the real art, okay? So that's the face-to-face consultation that our insurance heroes do. And for this, we have built a broker app. And it also works offline, super important. And I think all people that know consulting know that this is important. Okay, so I have an offline app, and I can click here on the customer, and I see Martin. And I see that the back office has given me a hint that he's looking for health insurance. I click on the customer, I can see his details. I click, and I'm in the conversation with him right now, and I go through all of the details, and I just confirm that they are still correct. And now I can go, and this is actually Switzerland, so I'm choosing a Swiss insurance, health insurance, and I can choose the different deductibles here. We see the prices automatically changing, and I choose a certain product for him. I can now choose the complementary, so single room, dental care. I create the documents. What we see is directly created an offer that can be signed face-to-face with the customer in the consultation, okay? And as soon as my application is back connected to the internet, it syncs with the customer account, and the customer has this new policy on his phone or the web, okay? So this is the presentation of FinanceFox. We've created this in the last 12 months, and we have quite amazing investors. So we have Salesforce as our lead investor, and they are providing us with the newest technology. We have a project team that's working on creating a global company that's based on the newest technology of Salesforce, really proving that Salesforce can be more than a CRM. Salesforce can be a platform where you run your entire business on. Okay, and where are we taking this? We're taking this international. So in the last 7 months since our launch, we launched in Germany and Switzerland. We have now grown to more than 30,000 customers. We grow by 500 customers per day, approximately. We're taking this now to Austria, next country, France, Netherlands, and UK. We are evolving our business model. And this is where we need the help of many, many people here, the product carriers. Because what we have done is unifying the customer experience. What we do need to do as the next step is create a seamless customer experience. And this only goes with the cooperation of the different parties in the market. Most important, the product carriers, their agility, their speed. And we're here for you guys to create an awesome customer experience that changes the insurance experience. All right, thank you guys.